Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone overheating after updating iOS version. If you are using any iPhone and you have updated your iOS version and now you're having overheating issue, so let's see some possible fixes. So the very first, you just have to open up your settings here and you have to make sure that you have a stable network connection and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after doing that, you just have to go back from here and then you'll find option of background app refresh. You just have to tap on that and then select the option and select off. So it will disable background data usage of your every installed app or every app in the list. And after doing that, you can also fix a start set automatically in the date and time. And after doing that, you can also check your software update if you have any pending software update. So you can try to update your software. It will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you, so you can also try to check your iPhone storage. If you have enough storage, almost 5 to 10 GB free to run your iPhone smoother, so you have to make sure that you have up to 5 to 10 GB free, or if you don't have, try to uninstall or delete any app from there. Or after doing that, if you're still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you have to make a force restart to fix minor glitches in your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press on the hold the power button, wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So now quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this doesn't work for you and you're still having the same issue, so it might be that your phone cannot run the specific iOS update which you have just updated. So you have to try to integrate or downgrade your iOS version. So for example, if you have installed iOS 26, so you have to downgrade your version to iOS 18 again to use or run your iPhone smoother. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.